How to reinstall Windows security in Windows 11. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you reinstall Windows security in Windows 11. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to right click at the Windows icon just at the bottom left of your screen, so it will appear at the bottom of your screen on the taskbar. So simply right click at Windows icon. Alright, so from your you'll have to click on the option terminal admin. So simply click on it. Alright, click on yours. Alright, so from this admin panel, you'll have to just paste this code from here. So you have to just copy this code and paste it on your command prompt here. And after you paste it, you'll have to just hit the enter button. So like I will give this code on the description below, so you can easily copy this code from the description and you have to just paste this code on your Windows browser. And after you paste it, it will automatically reinstall the Windows security on your Windows 11. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.